We're live or what? Are we live or what? Oh, we're live. Let's go. Post up. Here we go. What's happening while we wait for anybody? If anybody wants to join, we will just chase a couple of good tunes, get a bit of background music going while we rinse some altcoin trades.
There's $26,000 to every person
Not this.
who was living on the streets out here.
Chill house. I don't know about these suspect individuals, but
Hey, it's Amy Watson and Jimmy Harvey, and we are here in beautiful Austria, and this is our soft river house mix. Enjoy.
all right. Big bit of liquidity there where my head is. That purple box. This is where all the middle-aged women come to dip their toe. See if the world is well. I was trying to get this going. Oh, YouTube Live, man. Every single time I have trouble with it. Are we live? We're live. There we go. What's happening, Zachy? Man, had me on a different live. I had two lives going at once. How's the tunes? Steezy dropping in soon. Life is good. Have a little bit of under the stair whiskey. Where else would you rather be? I know, I haven't been going to the gym. Fuck me. Thing probably hasn't been opened in like 3 years. Fuck me. Oh, I'm gonna have to fucking call up my dad for that. We'll get a different one. BRB. Bit of second grade monkey shoulder. Yeah, that's how you design a lid. 1, 2, 6 shots. Alright, the purpose today is to just fucking wet my whistle, mainly doing it for me. Anyone that wants any help with anything, questions, any answered, anything like that, we'll definitely do that. But just getting back into the fucking bull run. So full-time crypto, why not? Might chuck a trade on. Got a separate account, put $1,000 USD in it. So maybe we could find something to do. Some sort of high leverage degenerate fucking Bybit send. And have a bit of fun with that. Want something easy, preferably. Something easy would be nice. Like, for example, if it was down in this liquidity zone for Bitcoin, I'd just be longing it. But now it's already had a few sips of the fountain of youth. It doesn't look that strong either. This is a 5-minute time frame too, so I'm zoomed in. Like I said, it'd be good to get a bit of degeneracy going while we're talking. That way we can have something to look at while we're chatting, you know what I mean? I'm sharing this in the group that we're on. Jump on. Wait, whoops. Started. Jump on, everyone. Jump on. All right, so what I do on a day-to-day basis is hang around the computer and wait for easy trades. This is pretty much what everyone should be doing. There's a good quote by Jim Rogers, which is, I've actually got it up here. It's a great quote. If you haven't heard it, I'll whip it up. Jim Rogers, famous gold bug, but he's got a lot of, he's been in a lot of interviews. Jim Rogers, trust me, you want to hear it. Jim Rogers, here you go. This is it. He says, you'll be like, oh yeah, is that all I was waiting for? There you go. He says, I just wait until there is money lying in the corner and all I have to do is go over there and pick it up. I do nothing in the meantime. Literally just makes billions by doing fuck all and then just waiting for just a piece of piss obvious trade. What does a piece of piss obvious trade look like? Good question. Piece of piss obvious trade. Well, you have to work out how to recognize that first. Clearly. For me, something like that is a piece of piss obvious trade is something that has just stopped a lot of people out. That's pretty much one of the easiest. The other night made like $2,000. I posted in the alpha chat, just 100x Bitcoin, 70x. Cheers, by the way. Happy Friday. Thanks for being here. Instead of partying, instead of being down at schoolies. Monkey shoulder's not too bad, to be fair. Easy trade is just fucking when heaps of people have been stopped out. So that's one of the easiest if we're talking like lower time frames and even higher time frames, to be fair. Like when people have been stopped out. For example, this is BTC, USDT, Bybit charts. This is what I'm doing all my trading on, basically. So this is obviously why it's going to be messy. This is a good chart to go through as well. I'll show you. This is fun. Yeah, just something like, for example, just looking for something fresh here, but even just recently, right? Like, so we pretty much called the bottom. I don't know if you watched the video. I was just like, oh yeah, the bottom's, I think I said here. I said the bottom's either here or 89.5K. And I mean, halfway in between, you'd throw a dog a bone, wouldn't you? That's a gimme. But I was just saying, like, when you've been trading for a while, especially when you start trading, you will be putting stop losses in all the wrong spots. And that is because those are the ones that are going to get hunted. And where do people look to put stop losses? People want to be as greedy as they can, and they want the stop loss to decide what the maximum amount of money is that they're going to lose, which is back to front, basically. You need the stop loss. Stop loss isn't meant to be about how much money you're going to lose. The stop loss is meant to be about where it would go for you to be wrong. So when I put on trades, like proper big trades, like ones that actually, like I'm trying to really increase my portfolio, they're like two times leverage, 3 times leverage, probably max like 3.5x on something. And I'm just like, okay, I think we're in a bull market. Where would I be wrong? Where would the price go to prove to me that we're not in a bull market? So same on Bitcoin, I'm just like zoomed out. I'm just like, okay, well, I mean, if the price came back down here to 59k, or maybe I'm back under here somewhere, then yeah, all right, the bull market's over and I'm fucking well and truly wrong. So my stop loss is there. I'll probably get like 2x leverage off that. And then I'll hit it with size. That's I'm like, put it where you'd be wrong. Like my thesis for this is just a simple example. My thesis for this trade is that we're in a bull market, Bitcoin's going higher. Like Bitcoin could come down to here and I'd still be like, oh yeah, bull market's still on. Even here, bull market's still on, but if it comes down here, I'll be like, oh yeah, well this is well into the lows of this range here. Like it's going to hit this knot, it's going to break it. Like I'm wrong. I reckon bull market's over if it comes below here. So that's how you trade big positions with big size. It's like where will your whole thesis be wrong? Anyways, rants. This is just gonna be rants and tangents. If you're having a sip with us, let me know what you're sipping on. Yeah, so check this out, right? If you go back to some videos, I've been drawing this for a long time, like basically since 2023. Like we drew this G box back here when the price was here, and I started drawing this green line through it. Admittedly, this green line has moved like around, up, down, left, right, all that sort of shit. Throughout since I started drawing it. Like for example, for a while it was like that, and what I was trying to do is draw it through the channel, so like through the middle. Sorry, I forget my head's there. Through the middle of all the price, like directly through the guts of it, and find out where this massive uptrend, if we just went straight through the middle, where this uptrend would finish. At when it would end, when it would hit 100k. Thank you. And so like, yeah, for a while it was like June, July, because it was going up there, and then this shit happened down here, and I was like, oh yeah, moving it around. And then recently it was it ended up in January, and then it ended up like early December, and now, as you can see, it's been like this for a fucking while. Like I'm talking way back down here, because you can see I was linking all this shit up. I know it's messy as, but I'm not changing it. Actually, I think I did do it on another chart. Cleaner one. Yep, there you go. Yeah, perfect. So like, see how I'm like connecting all the dots, right? So I'm just like, oh yeah, where the volatility began, like this right here was the end of the bear market. All right, right there. See that? That's the end of the bear market. See how the price starts going like this. Low volatility, this is high volatility, bang, 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 bang. And then it's like Bitcoin locked in. You put on the goggles. It locked in, and you'll see this is shown on larger time frames like this by like serious blue bars, but we can go even higher. Yeah, there you go. Like so, starts 2-day blue barring, which is massive and rare. It's happened once and twice basically. It's happened twice in 3 times in the last 2 years, so it's very significant. It starts locking in, bull market starts right there. Anyways, we're linking some lows, hit the breakdown, grinds up underneath it, rests on it, comes down, hits it again as resistance, and now it's cutting straight through it with its eyes on the prize, and that is a 21st of December 100k Bitcoin. That is the ongoing prediction that we've had for a while. Like I said, it's moved around a bit, but it's been since like here, basically, since I got that little high right there, it's basically been around 21st of December. So since August, crack up if it happens, but nonetheless, like, talk about a simple yet effective way to pick the number. All right. Cheers. I know there's probably not many of you with me, even if any. I don't give a single fuck, but if you are, let's see if we can find a trade to do on the stream for a bit of fun. See, this is sort of like this Bitcoin. It's not really. It's not really easy, you know what I mean? Like, it hasn't. I would be calling it easy for a long or a short. I'd be calling it easy for a long if it gone through that and then closed back up here. I'd be calling it easy for a short. We'd basically be playing this range because obviously we're just going to be here for like, yeah, we'll 100x long it. We can do that. We just got to pick a direction, man. So pick a direction, man. Let's fucking do it, man. Let's fucking do it. But just saying, you could also check some. See, look at that. That looks alright. Ethereum. Should we do an ETH one? Should we do an ETH long? Double bottom. High time momentum. Ugly as hell. Red bars only. Looks alright up close. What are the other big fellas doing? Oddly shaped. Dun, 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 dun. Yeah, see, this is another thing. All right, we'll check Sui next. This is another thing, is like, if you are not using alerts, then you're cooked, because the charts aren't going to give you a good trade when you want that good trade. So it's just like, how many times do you flick open your phone or your computer or anything and you're like, all right, let's do something crazy, or let's put a trade on. It's like, bro, you're not going to get a good entry because you've demanded it. You know what I mean? You either got to set some limit orders or set some alerts and then wait for the trade to come to you. Warm night, melted ice. It's good. It's good. Yeah, so the way I do it, jump on, see channels and trend lines. Fuck this microphone. I got a new microphone. I got the real deal. This is the Joe Rogan. We're going global. I just got to get the connection. Just waiting for the connection to arrive. Separate box, man. I open it up and I have a look at the horizontal range. Parallel channels, trend lines, they're good, but they're ever changing, ever evolving. Horizontals, man, it's like once you put them on, boom, that's it. Right there, that was it. I hadn't looked at that previously. That's how quick I can do it now. And I'll explain why already. So this is why. We just get a... Yeah, I'll show you that next, Mac. So this is a separate range of its own up here. What we're looking at here is its own range. I could definitely do a bigger one and incorporate that, but that's not where the price is at the moment. This is a clear overextension and an overreach, and you can tell that by the way that the price reacted. So this is a range right here. The reason why I just dragged it along like that is because, look, support. So great longing areas. Okay, so bottom support, good longing areas. First areas to short, great shorts. So like look already, this is basically where you're short, see this broke through, add a character pump, come back down, look, tried to get it, so maybe I can I'll move it up a little bit. You know what I mean? Resistance, good shorting areas. See support here, see it's resting. So the most candles, this is where you draw the lines, where the most candles rest. And prioritize candle closes, man. But once you look at it like this, it's sort of like, it's just you're just completely dissecting it. It's like, okay, well, price breaks down here, comes down to this, that's a long. If it came down to here, that's a great long. And then if it comes down to here, that's perfect long. As you can see here, that would have been a perfect long. You just want to have your stop loss fucking out of it. Typical rule of thumb is like a couple percent below the red. So in this case, 202.5 would have got stopped out. So I mean, we're not talking with a 2.5% stop loss, you can have like 30x leverage. That's if the price was down there anyways. Alert set up first, then we'll go to SUI. So for my alerts, I've got the premium plan. I think it is. I get 400 alerts. Max them out. But what I've got for my alerts is I've got blue bars on nearly every altcoin. A blue bar alert on nearly every altcoin on Bybit. So when that happens, when it blue bars, I get told. When it blue bars, I get told. So Brett blue barred recently. I posted it in the chat. And then the most recent one was Apu. Do you know Apu? How well do you know Apu? How well do you know Apu? Show ya. So this is the most recent thing that's a blue bar. Apu, we'll get back to that. I'll just finish off showing you about the blue bars. So I've got all that, which basically takes up fucking nearly maybe 80% of all my alerts. I'll leave a couple for if I'm trading or I need to know something about a certain coin or whatever. The rest are BBWP blue bars on each time frame of Bitcoin, basically H6, H1, all that. And then I've got my 30-minute Bitcoin chart, which is what I trade often. And it's another volatility play, basically. So it's like blue bar, I get an alert, blue bar on the 30-minute chart. The big move coming. I shorted here. and I took profit at the red bar here. Right? I took 50% profit, and then I got trailing stopped. Yeah, I got trailing stopped. So I think it was here or something like that. I had it like 3% with a 1% retracement or whatever. So yeah, I'm still yet to perfect the trailing stop. Or you've got to measure the volatility to perfect the trailing stop. But if I'm going to sleep and shit, I put it on still, regardless of that. But yeah, obviously, otherwise I would have just been taking it at red bars, take profit, red bar. So I do like 50%, another 50% or whatever, just red bar profit, blue bar entries. So I just got I've got, yeah, alerts. That's my alerts basically. So I've got 400 alerts full of that. See back here, I was looking at long and Jupiter. And I had this set, see, November the 20th. So look all the way back here. I set this alert. Let me zoom out a bit. So on Jupiter, this was a frustrating one for me. So on the 20th, as you can see there, November 20th says. So November 20th, right here, I set this alert. So when it goes over this line, I will long it. As you can see here, just missed. And then when it did trigger, I was unavailable at 2 in the morning or whatever. And didn't jump on it, didn't chase it. So I could have, see, this is another thing as well. You can also put buy orders in, right? Obviously limit orders. So I could have just put a limit order there. But with the market the way it is right now, I want to see certain things. I want to see stuff like big candles and then followed by a green candle, an engulfing. It's an engulfing. Got a hammer and an engulfing. Like just bullish candle patterns just to prove that, oh yeah, the whole market's not nuking to fucking minus 40%. So setting alerts for that. It's just mainly an altcoin thing. So yeah, that's it, eh? Suey. Ooh. It's not too bad, actually. So, it's different for all coins and all time frames, right? But at times, sometimes 50%, sometimes more than 50% chance of a head fake. Okay, so read Bollinger Bands by John Bollinger, or look it up. Bollinger Band head fake, because that's what the BBWP is, right? It's a volatility index. It's just shown a different way. So it's the Bollinger Bands shown on a value of 0 to 100. So it's basically just this. They squeeze and then they pop the Bollinger Bands. They squeeze. So you see, for an example, not the best examples here, but Bollinger Bands sort of squeeze and then they pop. It's a low time frame, so you're not going to get crazy shit, but squeeze and then pop. And that's the BBWP is just basically that, but shown on a 0 to 100 indicator. I much prefer it. So Bollinger Bands is one of the best, most accurate indicators there is. But what I was saying is a head fake is, right, so with head fake, you've basically got low volatility here, which you can see. Pull it back on. You can see that it's starting to squeeze. The Bollinger Bands are starting to tighten up. And what's happening is the expansion has begun. As you can see here on the BBWP, the expansion has begun. But it doesn't necessarily mean that the direction it's taking now is the correct direction, especially when, one, the momentum is already at its lows. Okay, it's not coming from its lows. It might even have hidden bullish divergence on the RSI. Yep. H-bull, hidden bullish divergence. That's like 2 cases of it. See, 1, 2. So hidden bullish divergence. Oh, that's actually stuffed it. But hidden bullish divergence, price making higher lows. RSI makes lower lows. Hidden bullish divergence suggests trend continuation. So when you've got 2 momentum indicators looking bullish, and again, you can come over here to like liquidity, man. Like, where's the liquidity going to be? Where, if you were longing, right? If you were longing since, let's just say you started longing, everybody that's longed with unreasonable amounts of leverage since here, where are they putting their stop losses? They're probably putting it under here, probably putting it under here. Some will be definitely under here, but I mean, like, the majority of traders are degenerates, right? So they're going to try and reef up the leverage. There's going to be liquidity around, man. There's going to be liquidity around mainly in areas like this. Especially, like, you could zoom in even closer to get a look at the knot, lower time frame knot, which is right here. Okay, so if the price was here, if the price was doing what it's doing now, but down here, I'd be a lot more inclined to long. But for the fuckery of the video, you know, I don't mind doing it right now. And, you know, it doesn't look great. Obviously, that's what I'm saying. Like, we're trying to entertain, or we're trying to. Fuck, time's flying. Time is flying. Like, I want a higher low. You know what I mean? I want a higher low, my man. Basically, any trade that I do right now is just giving money away. How about we jump over to Bitcoin? Oh. This is just for the entertainment factor. So you can see that, right? God. I'm just turned into an old man with the trades. Does anyone want me to long something better or do something better than chase this? All right. Let's do it. We're going to 100x long chase the Bitcoin pump when the momentum is already at the top, just to lose money, basically. I don't want to short it either, man. That's what I'm saying. Where are we? All right, we've got $1,000 US in this account, this Bybit account. It is a sub account. It is not called Hiroshima because we're going to nuke it to 0. It's because I'm going to Japan soon, and I love the culture. Oh God. Love just a bit of a retracement. I've just seen the time though. It's like 7:40. So what's it doing up close? All right, we'll watch this. Here we go. Let's get a little bit of a pullback. We could keep talking some shit. 100x long is truly Tommy D style. It is actually. Where is he? I need him to tell me how to do this. Would be on Solana if it was him. He said he was coming on actually. Man's got bidnet to do. Any questions or anything like that? That'd be sick, just to kill some time. I just want to see this momentum swing lower, and we'll yeet it. Maybe we could talk a bit about trading on Bybit. So obviously this is the quantity amount, that's the leverage amount, isolated, cross margin. So if you don't want to take margin from other trades or from your balance, you do isolated. Obviously there's pros and cons to that, but especially if you're a beginner, or if you're doing dumb shit, do some isolated. This is the leverage marker. There is a warning for a good reason. TP stop loss. All right, so obviously we've already committed to the 100x, so I'm doing exactly the opposite of what I was saying that you should do the other day, doing what everybody does, what they shouldn't do, which is choosing the leverage first and then letting that dictate the stop loss, which is ridiculous. So how much money do I want to lose? If I doing it the wrong way. Let's just have a little look here. $96. Let's see. 96,088. Let's have a little look. Wow. It's running, my boy. Well, what are we doing waiting? Conditional. So I'm going to chase it in. Basically, this just got the order book down here. Basically sets your order in. I'll move my head and then I'll show you what that looks like. Doing true degeneracy. So if we go boom, it'll put the order on the book. I didn't see the dot, which is strange, but anyways, we're in. We've got a $93,000 US position, and we're basically chasing a pump right now. Extremely irresponsible. Sorry. There we go. Yeetin skeetin, my guy. Not stoked about this trade at all. I'm gonna literally doing it just to fucking entertain us. Ready for some lost porn or what? Where are we? Here we go. Where the fuck? Bit of sub account behavior going on. Why can't I? Why can't I show? It's weird as. Has anybody seen this happen before? Oh yeah, no, we're on. Sorry. Monkey shoulder, man. Yes, anyways. This price is probably going to come down at least to down here. It's fucking ridiculously stupid entry, but hey. Whatever. Just teaching you bad habits. Have you heard about a poo? What have we got? Someone keep an eye on this trade for me. So a poo. I don't know anything about a poo other than the fact that it is blue motherfucking barring right now on the 12-hour chart. There is a big move happening with a poo. It's probably already begun, man. It's probably already begun. Look at that. I am going to... Yeah, long and short every minute candle perfectly. Because that's... Yeah, that's... Yeah, man. It's fucking easy. 18-year-olds are doing it. Here we go. Yeah, so it's been 2 days since the Brett Blue Bard. This Apu is going to send. I don't know. There's no guarantee on which way, but the edge is definitely to the upside. Look at this. Ready? Tell me that you're not expecting massive gains from a poo when you hear this. Respect the amount of songs they got on here. A poo. Let's say a poo will do. Cheers to getting liquidated. Oh, I need my chalky milk. This one's for you, Dicko.
Join the revolution of friends and buy some Apu. Minus 99% and that don't phase us. We had a Giga. He was Nicoladius.
Fucking trash this trade. What's the leverage they give us on a poo? Sorry, that's too loud. Here we go. Man. What are we doing in Bitcoin, honestly? What are we doing in Bitcoin? Liquidate. Eject. Eject and chase the poo pump. Eject and... Oh, God. I need to do a vote. We need to do a vote here. Abandon the fucking dreaded trade and chase their poo pump. One yes and we'll do it. One yes and we'll do it. Abandon the Bitcoin, the shit Bitcoin long out of boredom and 12.5x long a poo. All right. Let's do it. Let's ape a poo. Alright, don't do this either. No. I was just going to do all bad habits then. Chalky milk and tendies, my man. That's fucking rough listening though, isn't it? That is fucking rough listening. Meanwhile, Apu's 100xing. I'm out here using the fucking inferior Bybit trading orders. Watch Bitcoin run now. See, this is the exact. This is the perfect example of stick to your trading strategy. Let the trade come to you, and don't do shit just for the fun of it, unless you want to lose money. I'm literally showing you right now how to lose money. Fuck yeah, poo. Honestly, again, entertainment factor. We are 100%. Oh god, these streams are just for fucking fun, alright? Where's the tunes, man? But why, man? A poo, man. Imagine doing that with the missus. I couldn't. Alright. Close the rest of that happily. Bro, we're going all in a poo. Bro, chase my order in. Why isn't it showing the little dot there? This sub account shit's like I gotta set up new settings or something. Yeah, the how not to trade stream. There you go. Alright, watch. Not as fun as a 90,000 US trade on Bitcoin, but at least this one's probably going to make us some coin. So, I mean, hey, free money's good money. Might actually be able to hang on to this one too. So we've got a $900 margin, obviously 12.5x leverage. So that's going to give us 11,491 APUs, 11,397 US dollars, which is pretty much 16 grand Australian. I mean, I don't mind. I'm happy to lose it here on a sure thing. Why bother, huh? On these high volatile assets, see how it's got that warning? So Bybit's never going to lose out. Never going to lose out. Bybit is never going to lose out. They will liquidate you. Take all of your money before they risk losing anything. Hey, we're up $100, man. So we'll just see what they give it. Man, who's on a poo with us? Oh, if you haven't longed a poo, honestly, I don't know what the fuck you're doing. Like, you may as well just go to bed. Turn on the PlayStation, man. Do some, you know what I mean? Do some other shit. Fucking don't know what. If you fuck this microphone. I can't wait till this other one's working. If you don't have a poo long on right now, you're a fucking moron. You're still sitting in Bitcoin. A poo to the moon. A poo to the moon. Let's have a little look. NFTs, boy. Rate the NFT out of 10, boy. Okay. Wait, tell me OpenSea doesn't bring you back. Okay. Okay, 0.12 ETH. Maybe the profits we make on this on this boing long, the profits we make on this Apu long, we will roll it over, reinvest, man. Honest, if we get what's an ETH going for now? 3.5, 350. Man, we could do that. It's Friday, man. I'm not doing math. What was it? 1, 2, 1, 2, 4. Man, that's a very achievable. $69 out of 10. Right. Well, if we get $443 exactly, we will liquidate, and then I will buy one of these. Just gotta pick the right one. Okay. He looks like he knows something we don't. Oh, they're going up in value. The market's decided, or maybe the artist has decided, or the Apu Foundation, apu.org. What's the most cookedest one? Chud. I hate it. I hate everything about it other than the C, the H, and the U and the D. Fuck. We have fun, man. We have fun. Go Apu. Nobody wants to learn anything anymore, so we're just fucking hanging out until this is gone, and then I'm gone. Sellers unite. Please, God, stop the dump. I fucking need this, man. Please, God, stop the dump. I need this money. I need to buy. And you know I don't have many left. You know I need this NFT, man. It's going to give me financial freedom. Do if you want. Nothing's jumping at me though, which is a big problem. I'm the type of guy that really responds to something jumping out of the bushes at me. Please be patient. I have autism. Now that's a rare hat. I understand why this is 0.23 ETH. Autism is rare. It's overprescribed, underachieved. Okay, it's an autistic fellow with a balloon. That motherfucker is so high. In the desert. That's the last place that I'd want to be fucking high. In the desert. Yeah, this stream's going to shit. What's the most expensive one? Let them tell us which one's the best. Free scroll. Holy shit, man. Is this, do these sell? How do you check that again? It's been so long. Recently sold. We'll get to the end of the, we'll complete the mission first of just seeing, oh no. What am I doing? Fuck. Long day making videos, my man. Yeah, okay, wow. That's gangster one though. Okay. They're selling. There's too many though. That's the thing. I need digital scarcity. What's up, Steezy boy? Man, I was just about to pack her up, man. I'm about to be fucking... about to buy a Lambo with this Apu trade. I just pulled in my last favor from the Lord Jesus Christ to please not let this bag... please not there be a hole in the bottom of this bag. Yeah, like... hit the like, man. Fucking hell. What am I going to do? Pay you for it? Oh. Stay on. Or should we... oh no. Well, actually, we fucking lost like $100 on that terrible long that I got talked into doing before. I reckon we hold. I want something with larger leverage though. You're alright, my bro. All G. Been hanging out. Chilling. What else would you rather do on your Friday than just talk about crypto and how great it is? Yeah, we had a little bit of a look at a couple of coins. We were going to USDT.p. We're going to, what's up, Disclosure Crypto? What's happening, my guy? Could you look at Gari Network once, buddy? Fucking oath I can. Buddy. My guy. If Tradingview isn't your home button, try harder. Gari Network. Is this one of those scam things or Kraken? Okay. What's the market cap on this? Looks very low. Wow, I mean, it's a Web3 streaming platform on Solana, so I'm a little bit curious. Well, the first advice I can give you is not financial advice, but the first thing that I can tell you is that you need to bet to win, my man. You need to bet to win. And so the thing that you should be thinking about is how much do I put on this? How much do I put on this? Not whether I should, it's how much. Okay, 110, 100,000, whatever. But you'd be delighted to know that, I mean, it's not too bad. It doesn't look too bad. You've just got hopefully you haven't been sitting in this for this whole time, because there's a thing and they call it opportunity cost. But look, the trend's changed. And if you zoomed in a bit, you'd see basically that it's just had a massive run up, and now it'll be ranging sideways. So you could come over here. You could just simply draw like a little you could draw like a little rectangle around it, like easily. Or you could zoom in to this. So you just basically want to be, if you're buying like anything in this area, see how people realize that 4, 8, 12, 16 hours ago, they realized that this is the buy area in the low ones. Look, I'm pretty well done on, I've been here since 2017. I'm fucking over looking at what these things do, unless something new is happening, right? So Web3 streaming platforms, I've seen them all. Just because this one's on Solana doesn't mean anything different. There's been Web3 streaming platforms for a long time. Oh, you're trying to get me into it? You're trying to convert me. You are a bag holder. You're a big bag holder. All right. Well, while I'm waiting for Apu to turn me into a centurionaire, Gary. Man, back in 2018, there was a Web3 streaming coin called Library, and I thought it was fucking phenomenal. So what are we doing here? Like, okay, where's the website? No, I'm not my buddy. All right. No, I'm not my buddy. Oh, Bitcoin's moaning. Knew it. Bro, this looks fucked. You lost. You shouldn't have. You shouldn't have got me to look at this, man. I was almost sold. What have you done? This is dog shit, bro. Tell your mates to make a better website. Come on, spend the money. Sell some coins, get some free money, print some money out of thin air, and tell your friends to make a better website. Here, look, I'll show you a better website. Look at that. Clean, crisp, Bitcoin in the background. God, man. Oh my God. Drop down menus. Didn't even take me long to make. Look at that shit. Bro, select the select the desktop. Like, this is the thing, man. I'm just looking at it on how it came up first. I can't be looking at it wrong, because however it comes to me first is right. Okay? Not everybody's going to have a disclosure crypto in the chat telling them how to look at it properly. I'm saying, man, if you take anything from this, would be 1, sell everything you've got and put it into this coin. And 2, fix your fucking website. I say it with love, man. All right, okay. And the Indians just beat the Australians in cricket, so I'm giving out free help to you. All right, you're winning. All right, I like winners. I'm backing you. I'm helping winners. I'm just gonna tell you honestly here. I'm not going to buy any because I don't have a Kraken exchange account. Okay, so if that makes you leave, then it's been nice. But if you're leaving, before you leave, wait. Fix your website, man. And I don't want to click on any links. Okay, I'll reload it. This is your moment. My guy. Man, I knew you were a winner. Yeah. No. This looks better. But that other thing, dude, fuck that off right now. This is better. Okay. This could probably trick the prepubescent teen. Maybe early 20s if they're retarded. That's about it. I'm not going to buy any though. I told you that already, which is fine. I'll click the about again. These are probably. Is this you? Are you Summit? Is that you, Summit? Summit Gosh? Disclosure Crypto, are you Summit Gosh? Let's really flick over real quick though to the most important thing, and that is Apu making everyone millionaires, centrillionaires. 240 USD. See, this is what I'm talking about. You just go over and you just pick up the easy money, and then you fucking go and you just stand on the balcony like Leonardo DiCaprio and you throw it off straight onto the camera crew, and they pick it up, and then you do another take. Apu to the moon. Just, yeah, that's a great point, Mac. Listen, this is my proposal to you, Disclosure Crypto. 3 free months in blockchain bulls, valued at hundreds and hundreds of dollars, probably more than you make in a day. In exchange, you give all of our members a Gari airdrop, knowing that if we get the Gari airdrop, and you haven't seen the Blockchain Bulls members, I'm telling you, if anyone can pump a coin 2 decimal places, and I am not shitting you, Disclosure Crypto, 2 decimal places, that is 100x. It is the Blockchain Bulls members. So if you airdrop us Gari, I will give you 3 months free membership in the Blockchain Bulls. Take it now or leave it. You've got fuck all time to decide. Back to Apu. Surely you're on this Apu trade with me, Mac. Like, bro. This thing's about to break out. This thing's about to break out like a... It's just another prepubescent teen. Oh, Mardo, man. What's good? The boys around it. This is what we're doing. So in case you missed it, we longed Bitcoin at the top, which ended up being not that bad of a trade. Okay. I didn't really back it fully. So I sold it at a loss. Okay, as an example, I was just, it was just completely just for you. I did it for you guys, just to show you what not to do, man. My heart wasn't in it. My heart, my body, my physical, digital USDT was in Bitcoin, but my mind, my soul was all in on Apu. Apu justice. Apustasia. My mind was in, so I just had to follow my heart. You just gotta follow the heart when it comes to investing, guys. See, once I got the alert for Apu, blue barring, and this wasn't just because I was fucking deprived of blue bars, because believe you me, I was. But I looked at this chart. and I looked at that stochastic momentum. That stochastic momentum has not a fucking care in the world. Ukraine just bombed Russia. Does not care. Anything. This stochastic momentum's fucking family of 4 just died in a car accident and it would not stop it from going up. I'm telling you right now, this thing is fucking moon sent. And tell Elon to get the fucking pincer claws out because it's going to have to catch it, man, on the way back because we're going up and then we're going fucking down. Trust me. This thing is going up and then down. It is a return flight. 1,000 a poo, Marty. It's not too late to ape, man. Honestly, 12.5x leverage. All in. Signs of distribution, don't care. Do not give a fuck. What's a poo doing? What's his name? Garash. All right, man. In conclusion. Steezy's on board. Okay. All right. We're moving on. Fuck Gary, man. Hey, Disclosure Crypto, I appreciate you. Thanks for showing us. I would long this if I had a Kraken account, but I don't. And this is also probably on Solana exchanges. I'm not doing that right now. I appreciate it. And this trend is now up. So I'd say it's worth a crack in all seriousness. All right, now over to the fun. Why? What did we do before? I'm fucking sick of this shit, man. I've never seen this before. I've got this new account. Yeah, exactly, Boyne. Boyne's on entry patrol. Make sure everyone's paid their dues and entered the trade. This is how we're turning into a fucking... We're turning into a... Oh, no. No. It's over. It's fucking over, man. Fuck. Fuck. Holy shit. Who entered that? Who caused that? Who caused that? Who shortened it? You can't. I bet you that's Steezy. I bet you fucking shorted it, Steezy, didn't you? You know I've left my order books thin. You know I ain't got nothing to back that up. Listen, if you're not in now, this is the best entry you're going to go. Literal moon mission. My boots are on. Yeah. Who's got a poo rap? Come a poo, come a poo. Fuck, everyone's... Oh, we're out. Stop loss. Stop loss. There is no stop loss. Where's the Michael Saylor second best meme? Except stop loss. There is no stop loss. It's a poo, Marty. Fuck, man. Catch up. I'm sick of... I'm sick of everybody not being on it. It's the best coin I've ever seen tonight. Since 7 p.m. till now. Second place is Gari. What was I doing? Alright, here you go. No way they're can't believe this fucking this guy. I can't believe this dude. How many? It's got 4.9 million views. So actually, you can't hate that, man. It's not too bad. Yeah. See, I'm just sick of talking about a poo, but what I was doing is pausing that, bringing up a poo, and showing you why a poo is the best coin since 7 p.m. There is at least 100 songs in here, all devoted to how good a poo is. Look, Messiah a poo. Someone fucking screen record this. Hey, you're alright, disclosure. Yeah, you're welcome, boy. And fucking use the money to sign up, you fucking broke cunt. What's, should I be selling my BTC and buying a poo? Yes, man. Sell everything. Sell everything. Buy poo. This is not financial advice. And then sell a poo as soon as the stream ends, and then buy everything back. Listen, this is now a long-term trade. I'm in it for the tech. So the chart means nothing to me now. Why? What the fuck's the go with this shit? I can't. Steezy, have you seen this shit before, or anybody on Bybit where it doesn't let you? It's got the sub account going. I don't know if you've seen this one, Steezy, but we've got a sub account. It's called Hiroshima. It's not because we're nuking the account, but it's because we love Japan and we're going to Japan in January. Japanuary. The name has nothing to do with the loss of capital that is about to happen. What's that thing? Seppuku. Oh, this is just about to go up, man. That's not a fucking... Look at this, man. Candle closes above this rectangle and it is literally, we're like, I can already taste the fucking 10 plus Wagyu. We were going to buy a poo NFTs, but after further research, I don't really like them that much. Alright, I'm getting fucking, who's getting bored yet? So it's trending up. Market's just fucking, everyone's just coming down off the high of the bull run. Literally, it's just like you wake up one morning, shit's pumping, goes from 70k to 99 in 16 days. You're like, well, I could get used to this. Owes you nothing. Massive distribution. Doesn't reach 99k again until March. I'm in it for the tech. You know, like I'd hope that everybody's in crypto somewhat for the tech. But I'm definitely that's an investing mentality, man. We're here to do degenerate trading. No, I haven't checked out Gobi yet, man. I feel like I'm the only one in the fucking alpha chat that's not in it. Listen, Steezy, in all seriousness, for the last 2 years, I've said that I thought it would go to high 90s, sell short of 100. Oh, you'd be able to find this in the chat, 100%, or on other videos. Sell short of 100. And then go down for a while. I've said that for ages because 100k Bitcoin's like the biggest psychological barrier that it's ever had. Now that I'm living in it and experiencing that fucking sticker of those green arrows going up and all the Trump shit and all that, man, 420k. 420k next target. Gobi. Oh. What the fuck is that, cunt? Where's the tunes, bros? Where is the fucking tunes? Yeah, no. Hold on, I just want to have one more laugh at.
Hey, it's Jimmy Harvey and Amy Watson. This is our classic
I just want to have.
house mix. Enjoy.
Gobi is up only, bro. Gobi getting the Gari treatment. No. Yeah, we need to fucking. How do you flip these? Fuck. Pump fun, yeah. What have I got? I've got fucking. Let's get the semi-automatic sniper rifle out and just shoot up the apartment complex. I'll take the camera with me. Fuck this, man. I'm bored as. Let's do it. Okay. Stick to crypto. Gobi. Gobi. Man, I got way too many windows up. Hold on. I just want to see. Where's the does Gobi have a website or what? No. Check near and Tao. Steezy's Steezy's chasing the fucking. Steezy is chasing the TA. Steezy's chasing the TA. He knows. Alright, well, fuck, man. What are you doing? Can one of you's fucking... Someone put $1,000 on Gobi for me. I'll send you the money. Steezy, put a G on there for me. That's going higher, but I'll tell you that. I'll tell you that for free. That's free fucking non-financial advice. That thing's going higher. There's zero doubt. Just like a poo. Is it got a website or what? Yeah. Yeah, do it. Do it, Steezy. Tell me first, is it a sure is it a sure thing? Is it a sure thing? What do you got on it? Because he's probably only got fucking... Who's got real money on it? Be honest. Who's got some real coin on it? Who's got some real coin on it? Man, Pooh's fucking... Ah, Pooh. Who's got some real coin on it? Somebody writes in the chat, swear to God, hand on heart, they got $1,000 on it. I'll put $1,000 on it right now. So fucking if everyone in the group's got fucking $20 on it, grow up. All right, let's do some serious fucking TA. Thanks for being honest, Marty, but that's shit. Back yourself, mate. Where is Mac? There we go. All right, all right, all right, all right. One soul. 1.8 soul. What's that Aussie? Like 350. 350 for one. $500. Max got 500 on it. Where's this chat? Someone add me to the chat. Where's the community at? Yeah, sick, eh? That's sweet. That's a mad. That would have been a mad long. That would have been a great long. Just a big fucking range, big sideways range, low, higher low. It's awesome. It's obviously you don't long it right now because you've got 4th of November. You've got like a month. You've got like a full month worth of shorters that have got their fucking they've got their stop losses up here. But yeah, I need to be sold on Gobi. I'll do it. I'll take your word for it, but let's like, you know, let's like let me. I need to sniff what everyone else is sniffing. I need to sniff that Gobi good. A poo man. I am not exit liquidity. 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 Tau, what was the other one that you wanted to look at? Steve's near. I'm going to boost soon, everyone. It's been 90 minutes. Do another 10 minutes, 5 minutes, unless the chat starts going wild and you start saying some sick shit. Steezy, can you put Steezy, put 2 Sol on Gobi for me. That'll make 3 Sol. We'll go 1.5 each. And I will bring you over some spare coin. Some cash, man. Cash. Hey, don't jump the gun here, Boone. Alright. We need the we need Europe to wake up. Once Europe wakes up, man, once India wakes up, lock it in, Steezy, man. 100%. My word is my bond. What's 2 Sol? What's 2 Sol cash? And we're riding it till the end too, so. Done. Do it. Do it. Do it. Just do it. Do it. Near's sweet again. Near's alright, but doesn't look, you know. I mean, it's had a fucking. It's been running. Wow. Near's had a crazy run. Where's the I need any Adderall. Not my style, man. I had some once in America and felt sleepy, so what does that mean? I've actually got ADHD, maybe 100% in a month on Near. Where's Terry Mardo, man? Termardo is usually the ones chilling the near, letting us all know. Did you put a Near trade? You didn't put a Near trade on, did ya? No, he didn't. You didn't last competition either. Who did? Oh, Dwight Manfredi put a Near trade on last competition, made 81%. That would have been a fat trade. When you see charts like this on medium time frames, by medium time frame I mean like 1 hour to 12 hour, when you see them doing like this, when you see them doing this, see that shit? So let me just, this is a bit of pattern trading for you, but I mean it's legit, actually. It is legit, actually. So medium term time frame, trend line like this. You better off drawing a parallel channel. Parallel channel like this. And then, as you most likely know, most parallel downtrends and uptrends, they end with the banana zone. They go at the end, so they follow it, and then at the end they go whoosh, increasingly more vertical. And then once you see this, so it's just like a little rectangular box of just grinding up really tight candles on larger time frames. Get a lot of mixed signals on the lower ones. It typically leads to pumps, man. It's like this is when all of the big money agree on that this is about to pump, and they're not giving the trade an inch. They're just trying to accumulate as much as they can without starting the pump too early. And you can see here, like, there's a really low volatility. The price is barely going down. It's just getting, all the cells are just getting eaten up. And it happens a lot of the time. And this is a prime example of it, honestly, because it happens in two places where fucking losers are shorting it and selling it. Why are they doing that? They're shorting and selling it because, one, it's hitting the top of this channel that everyone's just expecting it to. Oh, it's broke back into the channel. It's going to reject again. So lots of shorts, lots of sells. And then also, and more importantly, it is a resistance area, man. That's the recent lower high. So just a conjunction of sells and shorts. So easy for people to fill their bags. And a lot of people have filled the bags. And this is why the distribution is now occurring. As you can see, a bit of a double top going on there for now. Anyways, Apu's in profit. Happy days. 2 likes, man. Surely we can get a couple more likes than that. We've had like 6 people in here. 18 views. Come on. Please. Gotta pretend to give a fuck at least. Oh. Man, that 100x Bitcoin trade, boys. What were you doing? It's a completely prime example. 1%, that'd be nearly up $1,000. Oh no, where did we enter? We entered like here or something, didn't we? Quick, sell this and jump over to the Bitcoin. Happy days, man. We're in Apu for the long haul now. I'm going to sleep on this one. I'll let you know what happens tomorrow. Cheers. It's been good. We'll wrap this up. Gotta go do my Japanese Duolingo. Couple more likes. Thanks for the likes. 2 more likes. There you go. That's going to change the world. And appreciate you boys. Thank you for rocking up. It's fun. 105 minutes. That's lucky to have yous. Fucking love you guys. Yeah, let's see if we can do it every weekend, eh? Making some content. I'm literally full-time content creation now, so, and you know, bit of shit on the side here and there, but more or less part-time, full-time. So you'll be seeing some shit. I'm making some videos today. I'll see you next weekend. Have a great weekend. Peace and love. Let me know. Wake me up. Wake me up. Wake me up when Apu goes to $10. Other than that, don't fucking call me. See you boys. Take it easy.